Are you looking for a way to secure your future? Would you like to see your wealth grow through entering the dynamic fintech sector? Of course, you've heard about the incredible potential of cryptocurrency innovation, but maybe you're wondering, where do I begin? Welcome to the ORIENTUM future. ORIENTUM is supported by prosperous businesses involved in 3 different stable and secure industries: real estate, tourism and hospitality, and the game-changing green energy market. Through strategic partnership with prominent property developer Siam Royal View, that is in possession of a land bank with over 1 million square meters of premium island property on the pristine resort island of Koh Chang, Thailand, we are able to provide genuine value backing to ORIENTUM. This innovative approach is similar to how regular currencies work, where value is based on actual economic strength, not just hype or speculation. We are building the ORIENTUM ecosystem towards long-term sustainability and growth. ORIENTUM's projects embrace innovation. We've partnered with a cutting-edge industrial project for efficiently converting waste plastics to fuel. This enterprise, named SEPCO, is already in operation, providing fuel to one of the biggest bus companies in Thailand. Investors in ORIENTUM will play a part in expanding this exciting and hugely profitable endeavor, and at the same time help solve the massive global problem of excessive plastic waste. Genuine usability brings value to cryptocurrency, so we are joining with a wide range of merchants and businesses that will embrace ORIENTUM as a preferred payment for goods and services, with special discounts and incentives. Payment with ORIENTUM will be made all the more convenient with the launch of our own smart merchant application, which will seamlessly and efficiently connect consumers and businesses. The ORIENTUM blockchain is fully developed in advance of its launch. This means that investors can buy and sell ORIENTUM amongst themselves immediately upon signing up and getting KYC approval. We consider security a major priority, so we have inbuilt multi-factor authorization protocols and offer offline cold wallet storage for ironclad protection of users' digital assets. We are coordinating with one of the Big 4 accounting firms to audit our platform, and are working closely with top professionals from the banking industry in order to deliver maximum transparency and confidence to investors. ORIENTUM is driven by a long-term vision. We are generating dynamic growth for a sustainable future. Are you looking for a way to secure your future? The future is funded by ORIENTUM. Own it!